In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll feel confident browsing, choosing a product, and checking out smoothly using the TikTok app on your phone. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and connected to a stable internet connection. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that, as the shop features work best on the latest version and availability can vary by region. Next, tap the shop section. Depending on your app layout, you'll see a shopping bag icon or a shop tab. This takes you to a dedicated storefront where you can browse featured deals, categories, and recommendations. You can also use the search bar to find a specific item or brand and apply filters for price, shipping options, or ratings to narrow down your choices. Now, select a product and tap it to open the product page. Take a moment to explore the details. Look through the photos and read the description to understand materials, sizing, or what's included. Check the price and any discounts or coupons available. Review shipping fees, estimated delivery dates, and the return or refund policy. It's helpful to glance at seller ratings and customer reviews to gauge quality and reliability, and if there are variations like size or color, note what's in stock. When you're ready, tap the yellow basket icon on the product page. This is your quick path to purchasing. If the product has options, choose the correct size, color, or style, and confirm the quantity you want. From here, you can either tap Buy Now or Add to Cart. Buy Now takes you straight to checkout, where you'll confirm your delivery address, choose a shipping method, and select a payment option. Double-check the order summary, apply any available vouchers or coins, and make sure the total looks right before you place the order. Add to cart is perfect if you want to keep shopping and bundle items together. You can review everything in your cart later and check out all at once. After you complete your purchase, you'll see an order confirmation on screen and receive an in-app notification. You can track your package status and delivery updates from your orders area. If something looks off, like an incorrect variant or a missing discount, cancel or edit the order promptly if the seller allows it, and reach out through in-app support for assistance. Keep your payment details secure and avoid sharing any codes outside the app. That's it, ordering from TikTok Shop in a simple, safe, and efficient way.